thanks so much for doing this.
Hi, Leah. It's great to see you.
Nice to
be
see
here.
you too. Thanks so much. Okay, well, let's get started. Why don't we start at the very beginning, I guess. Tell us a little bit about Syantra.
Syantra is a precision healthcare company that's gearing towards changing the way that we are diagnosing and treating diseases, starting with breast cancer.
Yeah, and tell us a little bit about where you're at with that. It's a very exciting time for you, I know.
So our flagship product is Syantra DX Breast Cancer, and that is launching in Calgary right now for the month October, the month of breast cancer awareness.
Wow, that's so incredible. So what does this mean for patients right now?
So patients right now are, standard screening mammography is standard of care for screening for breast cancer. And there's other diagnostic imaging and biopsy that's part of the diagnosis process for breast cancer. Syantra DX provides another option, another tool to be able to identify the presence of breast cancer from a blood sample. So it's complementary to the imaging that we already have in place.
Amazing, amazing. So let's back it up a little bit. Tell me why you wanted to start this company in the first place, Tina.
The reason why we started the company is really we saw some early results. We saw, which was a surprise. You're working on research. You have a new idea, a way to get at a new problem. And in this case, we were looking at breast cancer. And when the data came back from our early clinical studies, we realized that we actually had a signature, had some early stage technology for the detection of the presence of breast cancer. So this was very exciting, and at the time we needed to get a lot more work done to actually get to prototypes and product validation, clinical studies, and we really needed a company to be able to facilitate those. So we spun out the company to be able to bring this product to people.
Wow. And look at you go. Here you are. Okay, so let's do some company logistics. How many years have you been in business then?
The company started in 2016.
Okay, and how many employees?
We have about 11 core team members at this time, and then some affiliated consultants and other team members that we're working with to develop this product and to bring it to the market.
Terrific. And at Thin Air Labs, we always talk about creating massive human impact. So tell me a little bit about what that means for you and for Syantra.
So what that means for us is that there are many places where the technology is not where it needs to be to really save as many lives as we could be saving. Detecting disease at earlier stages where they can be better treated and reversed potentially, cured with surgery. And this is where Syantra can really provide some advantages. So in particular, if we look at breast cancer, 17% of breast cancers are actually in women under 50. And we really have no really good tools to detect breast cancer as a regular kind of screen. Mammography catches a lot of women, but 50% of women have increased breast tissue density. Since mammography is an X-ray, it has a little hard time seeing cancer, which shows up white, as well as the dense tissue shows up white. So we really need these new molecular tools, these precision medicine tools, to help identify those that need early treatment and to provide better health care for all.
Absolutely, and get that detection happening earlier. That's so exciting. So we talk often about, what's next? What are you driving toward? What do you see for the future of Syantra?
For the future of Syantra, where we're launching the first product, our flagship product, Syantra DX, and really what we're doing now is expanding market access. So we're launching here in Calgary, and as we're working with other jurisdictions to get all the pieces in place, the logistics in place to be able to deliver the test more widely across Canada as well as to other countries. Also in the pipeline or additional tests for future diseases that we're working on that can fit on the Syantra DX platform or contribute to the diagnostic and treatment of diseases. So starting off with breast cancer, but really building on that strength as we move to the future.
Wow, talk about global impact, right? Tina, thank you so much for this. It's so exciting to hear how Syantra is doing.
Thank you so much, Leah. It was a pleasure joining you today.